Ethiopia's Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and Somalia President Mohamed Farmajo are in Nairobi for talks with President Uhuru Kenyatta over the Indian Ocean boundary dispute. PM Abiy last week held a raft of shuttle diplomatic meetings separately with Presidents Kenyatta and Farmajo. Uhuru was on March 12 invited for a two-day visit in Addis Ababa, where, together with his host, attended the Ethiopia-Kenya Trade and Investment Forum and the inauguration of the Berber Industrial Park. I joined Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed of Ethiopia for the official opening of a two-day Kenya-Ethiopia high-level trade forum in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. We made a commitment to deepen trade and economic ties between our two countries, Uhuru said on Friday. We also called for the fast-tracking of the ongoing transformation of Moi Old Town into a cross-border trade hub in the region in line with the 2012 Special Status Agreement. On Tuesday, PM Abiy received President Farmajo for a one-day official visit. The two parties are expected to continue discussions of key regional and bilateral issues of mutual interest, following similar talks with other Horn region countries, the office of the Prime Minister said. PM Abiy Ahmed held bilateral discussions with the Somali President Farmajo at his office today. The discussions focused on four key issues including the strengthening of regional peace and security per the agreements signed previously, mechanisms to ensure Kenya-Somali relations are strengthened, continuation of joint port development, ensuring that relations with Abiy and the administration of Somaliland and Somalia is in support of regional peace, PM Ethiopia stated. After the meeting, Ethiopia's communication team on Tuesday said Abiy and Farmajo were on their way to Nairobi, to meet with Uhuru to mediate between Kenya and Somalia and ease tensions that have been building. On February 16, Foreign Affairs PS Mikaria Kamwan strongly worded statement summoned Kenya's ambassador to Somalia Lieutenant General Luke Katambo, and sent for consultations Somalia's envoy Mohamed Ahmed claiming Mogadishu had auctioned Kenya's oil blocks in London.